Like,
That's
we
it.
see people come, we see people go, and the hype thing now carry on. No way. Don't make nobody tell you no. Hype thing now carry on.
No way, bro. We are. Bless and love everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Free Speech People Talk. And today we're there, have mercy. We're there with a very, very, very special guest in the building. The man is a comedian, the man is a writer, the man is brilliant, the man being just prolific, yeah, man, on a different level. One of Jamaica biggest comedian at the moment, Don Bonez, my brother.
Go on.
We can't thank you enough in my bro. Because all the reason that we die, you know, I tell you that, you know, man. And drink them two Jagana cars for the people, them see them, you know, see them.
Come on.
Jagana, you need to sponsor, I think, yeah? Alright. So I go upwards.
They are going easy.
God. Yeah, talk to people, man. What you been up to, my bro?
I already know who is this Don Bonez attack with the end dance foolishness. Free speech! You know, so that's how we reach our team, man. So we there, man, that one our favorite spot, them.
Yeah, true.
Starline.
Yeah, I don't know about you in a Bones, but Starline, a seafood restaurant, and you can come here and the food, they make not too long, you know, brother. A long time, I don't taste no food so nice, I don't know your one taste still, you know.
Maybe don't tell you what.
But a long time, you did right, because you tell me, so, yo, this is the place to be, to get your food, and me forward, and me get the food, and me I tell you, I was not disappointed. People, come and check it out. Center of the day. Right across some plantation smokehouse, you know, the far. Just come on in nice and the cozy. If you want to see the place, very nice. And lovely and decent, nice place, man.
Outside,
you know,
man.
we have put the address and everything so they know exactly where we find. You have a phone number and you can call him to all these things. But I could get into it, Bones. So, yeah, man, definitely, I mean, one of the biggest comedians in Jamaica. Some people are going to argue that, but me have my reason why I say so. Because there are certain things that me look for in anybody, whether they be an actor, a singer, or there are certain things that me look for to know, say, yo, the youth and just do this, you know. The youth, I think and I use him head. You understand me? I did and I put things together properly, brother. Because I tell you, say, your thing just different. I can't see what come next. So I make you do it, brother. I cannot see what's coming next. Like me, I say, alright. And then, bam! The punchline just totally different. And then it hits the same way. You see me? How long know you do the comedy?
Tell you this, yo. You see, for me, I look at youth. We did have this like a camcorder, my brother.
Yeah.
And we used to just shot one bag of like home videos and them thing there. We had a movie and them thing there.
Yeah.
It was a cassette.
Yeah, man,
All-time cassette type of vibes. I'm saying every time you do a shoot, and you do back over something, you just run it back over the cassette. So we have nothing to watch back on them thing there. And I found them time there, we just build movies. Me tell you, I like watch cartoon, I like watch movies. And as a young say, you know, you have to play gun war and them thing.
Yeah, yes, man.
Even though my grandmother don't like them.
Yeah, you used to play the area.
Only if I stop up, we get to have grandmother say, yo, stop playing with gun, I want them one time. Stop playing with gun.
Yeah. So you know, thing that
I always the type of person where we just love that little adventure type of vibes there. You see me, I explore things and everything there. Mimic things, always say, on TV, our favorite program, TV program and everything there. I would just try to create, I would just start mimic them things and create one.
So you did that when you were small then? So you always have a passion for that?
Ever since.
Jaja, but you're really good at it, bro, me I tell you the truth. Honestly, you're really good at it. You see me, I've said this before, but brother, I don't know, your meant's just different, bro. You understand? Here's what we
Yeah, man.
Your meant's just different.
Them compliment it. I like how it's the main thing people are say, yo, what me up pre when me had them video.
Yeah, no, but me I go ask. We're never ready to ask yet, but me I go ask. So no, where you draw your inspiration from when you make them video? That's
how I next thing you I was afraid of that. So by the time we do it, they add it shoot like you were just there and you will see something and say, yo, what's what me can do with that thing? And shut up something. And even some time I surprise myself, you know, to be honest, you know. Because you know in the past social media, you see how social media operate. I don't know how easy ball game.
No.
Everybody do them on a thing.
Man, that's true, man. That is true. That is true.
And then you for come do your thing, and it can still have its own viewpoint, and people are free and say, yo, the youth are different enough, fam. And we have to just appreciate that and know say, yo, we just do it and try our best. We have to be ourselves, we not try be somebody else and them thing there.
Bones, just wait till me ask the question them, brother, because that's one of the next thing we want to touch upon later in the interview. But we talk about you right now. The thing with the bro, me realize say come like you're not even an act. You just put you in a personality. Yeah, honestly, because even when I call out over the phone, it sounds like the same bones that I seen in the video that I talk about. But I'm not hearing a character, you like a you hear, the whole behavior, everything. It's you. You understand what we are doing? Why better do rat belly? Come like a rat belly, so we want to say, yo.
You already know
why we don't know about That is it. Just even like I just say you're talking in real life. I say you're behaving in real life. So it's just basically you, in a sense, portraying your personality. You're not even acting. And as a matter of fact, you as an actor know that acting is actually not acting. It's just being natural. You understand me? So therefore, that is just natural talent to come to you. You never got school fee, not like that, no.
No,
nothing like that.
Training.
And then the editing skills up to go. Because when you see one time, you tell me say edit on your phone. Me couldn't believe. Me don't know how you do that on phone.
When we tell people say, oh, I use my phone with a free app, CapCut, and an advanced software on a laptop or just I use what everybody have. Because people message me every day, yo, why you use editor video them? Why you use editor video them? I say, yo, basically I use everything what I use. But when you have a passion for something, I do it, you click and do your thing, then you have to just be great at it. You have to just continue the way I do.
Because
even with the, as I mentioned, the rat belly character, like people see out the road, the rat belly never call, you know. It's like it's a different. The character, even though me, it's like I want different character.
Yeah, man, it's a character.
People literally see me ask more rat belly there.
Because they think I'm two different person.
Yeah, people who pre that too, you know.
We think I'm two different.
Might not be with the rat belly character, but even with the older character, because you know have this elder.
Yeah, man.
People, some of the time, people think it's actually a different character because we always slice it.
Yeah, put on the filter
and some things and them things.
And there's some things, a little youth, they think that he was somebody else.
People out there. So people right now think I'm tuning enough.
So
I kid you not.
Brother,
people think
what make you do police officer that bro? I tell him and say, me youth have this something and that. The youth say, hey, that is everybody to party. Hey, just the easy, you know. It was most bubble. Judge.
I want to build a video. It's almost like it's a rank as one of my favorite video them. And that was a Father's Day special, you know.
Yeah, man.
So
I remember.
Right, you know, normally when certain occasion come, we like try to drop a video pertaining that Father's Day come up and bam, Jason, you know, when I care asleep and rat belly did the police stop him and say, oh, my give him ticket and he say, oh, he was saying, Jesus. And my son, me not and my son go wake up and I never did see him, son. So that did the punchline.
Yeah,
nobody never expect that punchline.
You know, that you try to show that I know you got the video there. Every video, that's how you are, bro. You're very creative. You see me a thing that's different.
That's one of the things them where I always try to make sure me have a storyline.
Yes.
And me have a punchline.
Yes, definitely.
So it don't matter where the video go, just look out for your punchline. It might not hit same time, but when you see it, I say,
oh yeah, man.
I did not see that coming.
No, see it coming. I can't tell you that.
Like that. Anything we create, man, just make sure that people can relate to it.
True.
I mean, even every video will make people relate to it.
That's true.
You have people into some things and you have people into other things. You understand? So, but we try our best. I would just do what we like. You see me? So it's not even a matter of fact say, oh, you have to relate to it. Because at the end of the day, you know, we are do things where we enjoy, and that at some of the time that's why people kind of change up what they do. In terms of like even content creation and anything, their man might put out something and they might say, boy, then I get the views on me and like say, try something.
Yeah,
but
true.
They probably might not really into it, but they say, oh, you know, so this will get me a whole lot of views. And people even last them wait some of the time when I do them things.
So true. Yeah, man. Even the music with artists.
Views are no views, me just do what me like.
Yeah, man.
And I like it. I will sit down and watch back my video them too.
Yeah, man. That's it.
Sit down and watch my video them and laugh to man.
Good mindset, man. Very, very good mindset. I do the same thing too. I don't really watch the views and enough this and that. What I do is just work, lay the foundation and eventually go liquor by liquor. You understand me? That are the thing, you understand? But one more I get into Bones, I realize that you really have a knack for what you do. And I wonder if you ever think about like write a complete comedic movie script.
Oh, yo, I want to tell you, say, I get people always message me, I get offers to do them thing then. But I just feel like, say, I don't want to say I wait for the right time. You know, nothing really happen before time. But if it happen, it happen. But I not going to rule it out of the pipeline. Like, eventually, you know, we are going to want to do big things. You know,
right.
I probably even want the Hollywood or whatever and do thing on a higher platform and anything there. Because at the end of the day, you know, even though we are doing a comedy and something, you know, really want it to look mediocre. Yes. That's why even some of the time, you can see with even props them. No want people laugh still, you know. But I don't really want people to take it as a joke.
Too much of a joke.
Yeah,
I realize that.
Where you say, oh, you say, I see what I do though.
Yes, man.
You see me?
Yes, man. I get into that. So I realize a lot of your videos actually send messages in them. Serious messages. You see me, but you put it in the farm or you best know how to do it. You understand? Same like me would have put it in the music and videography because that's what I do.
Man.
You understand me? I do so I just decide thing. Now I say me never. Me auditions for a lot of movies in Jamaica, but me never book you up for one audition. I never audition for a movie yet.
You know, say, like, recently Bugle did a video, you know. You know, Bugle 19.
Yeah, man,
Bugle reach out and say, yo, I rate what you're doing. You see me? And at time when I think them fall back to, even you probably might have do some things and you probably not see views. But you have people out there.
People are watching, man.
High caliber people who are
me can't tell you, man.
You see me? And Bugle say, yo, Bones, me a picture the video and I you see in that video.
Yes.
You see me? And I suppose me end up in a Bugle video and that song them love that song there, yo.
Which one of the song them?
The song where I say, I'm just you too clean with him and
Jack. I forgot what's about that.
Yes, he starring at the video, man. The girl set up and bam, bam, bam. Watch it, man.
I forgot watch it, man. I never watch it.
Beautiful song, yo.
So you would the movie do if the offer come to you?
If the opportunity come, why would I turn down a movie offer?
So you wouldn't do like corporate, like big brand, like I mean if them call and so you like them thing there.
Of course, because even like you know we do some work with even Supreme Ventures.
Supreme Ventures,
yeah,
that, yeah.
Like big up Supreme Ventures.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And them thing there. But people always link me and say, oh, stout them the link it and them thing there.
Yeah.
You know, so we do music as well, you know. So
yeah, man,
we even have a song where we sing about dragon and them thing there.
Me have one too. We said they go get them out there. They get back to you.
So we don't, if them link up, you don't know the thing. With corporate Jamaica is the end result of anything we want
to do. Foundation, just like what I said. Foundation.
Because we're not going to step on one level.
No.
So if corporate now link, you know, you have to just consider yourself, say, they're on a level where you need for like excel more. Because you don't know corporate are the real deal. You know what I mean? So we don't have a problem with corporate Jamaica reach out to you and sponsor something.
Yeah, true. So, definitely.
Yeah.
And one of the things I really like with your Bones is I admire your humility. You see me, I'm going to ask you the question now. How important you think humility is when you find yourself in a certain social status? As you know, a lot of people view you as a celebrity because you're very popular. You understand? I mean, while driving here, I was getting calls from some people and some of my friends them actually. And I tell them, say, boy, I can't really talk to them for a long period of time because I have an interview where I go match up with Don Bonez and I never have to explain to them who Don Bonez is. The whole of them I say, hey, yeah man, do your thing man. You understand? It's like I never have to tell nobody who Don Bonez is. You understand me? I say, how important you think it is to be humble when you reach a certain level of, success then, put it that way.
Let me tell you something. You see, as it relates to people who support my thing, because I always tell people, say, we need to consider people as fans, and we consider people as supporters. Because you know, people as I say, you big up my fans, man. As a view, your consideration of fans are probably some people that jump up and say, Ray. But at the end of the day, them a fuel your thing, you know.
True.
You see
so
me?
True.
I feed them money and make you
so true.
higher and higher.
So true.
Me not even like use the word fans, like we consider people as supporters and everything.
Right.
No man, no bigger than no man. No matter how much status you have or whatever, how much money you have. Everybody there on a level as a human. So, as where you say being humble and them thing there, we just can't, if we're on the road right now, somebody pull up and say, Dan Bonez want to go out like, me see as somebody like me, you know. I don't consider myself as, I'm a big star or them something.
Right.
You see me? So we just step on the level them with the people them and that's this and all of why
because
we're in the streets every day.
Yeah man.
And people pull up to it every day.
Yeah.
And I just we that.
Yeah. Because even the very, we don't know if you remember the very first time I see you. We don't know if you remember. No? Discover me.
Yeah.
Discover me. And it's like, when we approach and they will just deal with me, man, just deal with me like say. Like, you know, that's weird. That's not really done good to say somebody with you, man. Like, you're just cool, bro. You understand? And that's important, bro. That's humility is very important. And a lot of people make certain things fly to them head, and sometimes it fly to them head too quick. Because I can tell you, bash nobody still, everybody do their thing different, but you know, I shoot music video, I work with a lot of young artists because them are even the reason why I start this videography thing, to help them out. Them don't know that, but that's one of the main reasons. You understand? And sometimes I work with some young artists and I can tell you, so them not reach, like, actually nowhere. I've reached very far in music, bro. You understand? And we could even push it and say, none of them have ever taken a plane in the name of music to perform. You understand? I've done that more than once. You get what I'm saying? So, I'm not trying to push that in on nobody's face and try to just humble same way. And then when them come on me, it's like them want to deal with me like me. You understand what I'm saying? And sometimes if it wasn't for professionalism, bro, I tell you, say, you understand?
Like
we are telling about the class, but we understand. So some of the time we have to lecture them. I know I have no great knowledge like that, like a man with a bigger than me that the reggae music have. But what me have, me share, so me tell you this, man. You see with the attitude there, you know which number me done. You have to change that. You see, professionalism is key. And you're hype for somewhere you're not even reach it. You can't hype for me because you have 163 followers on Instagram if we are measured by that. You understand what I deal with? And it's not a hype thing. I'm just showing that some of the time you need to humble. You understand? Because you could have even boss. You have a boss because you're talented. But your attitude I go determine whether or not you stay where you are. You understand what I mean? A lot of time people coming up and them achieve a little thing which nobody get, you know. You know, man, I get a buzz in the bed and start charge $2,000 for the plate, and you know, buzz, you know. Like a very small buzz, you know. Yeah, and I'm happy that nobody now have $2,000 for the plate and reach us yet. Go and collect a little $100 if you get. If you get $10 or $100 $1,000 that you can live off of that month to month. You understand what it is? So humility is very humble, and God for knows as a young youth like you pray that way they for know say your man a humility.
Bro, I've seen it all, bro. Like
that's
when the people come, when the people go, and the hype thing now carry on. No way. Don't make nobody tell you no. Hype thing now carry on.
No way, bro. We all got to go one day, and that hurt all of it.
And how now really say we are use people downfall, and but we have to learn from people.
No man, we can learn from people downfall, man.
Exalt themselves.
And they know they
know. I'm this yo.
We can even say the same thing with music because you said something earlier when you say you don't consider them fans, you consider them supporters, and the respect you show for your supporters them, that is very important. Because we can share a story with you. One time I used to work as a security officer. I used to work right down the Jackson. A big artist come there, come check one major DJ. We work at a specific radio station. You understand what I say? Because I don't the idle. I don't know if him still live there. Years ago, I tell you about. Because him not hot again. Not even warm, him not warm now. You understand? And the eye forward at the gate, I mean, if I know so the eye I go out because I will leave the next security for him go use the bathroom, so I don't know who to come through the gate. So when me didn't know he wanted to go in there, I say him and I'm fat beast, you know, I say him. But you know, we're not fighting for people. I don't care who the guy. You understand? And me I say, yo, what go on? Him say, I go to the DJ. So I say, no, I'm not getting a car for the idol. So tell the Lions for show time back, you know? So, like, him humble, you know? And him not say nothing, you know, when me tell him that, you know? And then it's like, the brother hear me now, the bathroom never really that far. Because the bathroom in the guard house. You see me? The guard house is big. And him say, yo, who that is an artist? And me say, yeah, man, is an artist, man. Him say, yeah, man, let him show him I go so and so. So I say, alright, go on. Just when we bust the gate, he never say nothing. We bust the gate, you know? So man, we go looking in the back and say, hey boy, I think one now I have a tape and him start running a film out now. So when the eye come back and me have opened my gate to let him show, I say to the eye as a big artist, me as a security officer said this to him. Bro, you see if you continue hype their way there, you're not going to reach far in the music. About the next week the eye flap. Big artist, that it was the hottest thing in that time. Because you cannot disrespect people who support you. People are your business.
Yes, man, that story. Everything they run smooth and I'm friend them both.
That match I show you. All the man have to do better. You don't need to exalt yourself and look a security officer. You're a star. Who's me? Who was me? You're a star. You don't need to have no argument with me. I know you just lower your standard. And guess what? Excessive hubris because of downfall, bro. Too much hubris. You have to know when to control your ego. Don't overinflate it. It's going to be like a balloon as a touch it bus.
You understand? That blueprint, but them wrong.
That is it. I know part type, bro. It's nowhere to be found right now. But much I make a comeback still. Big up yourself, artist. Know yourself. See me?
Big up yourself.
I should have relaxed now. Yeah, man. I mean, same one. Yeah, because we don't really afraid of people now. But watch this now, that once. I realize your musical talent. And you portray your musical talent with a 90s bubble. And your track sound sitting night where it come like, you know, if you do comedy, you know, brother. Some reggae music if you sing, you know. Let me ask you this. Do you have, like, a Rastafarian belief of any sort why you choose to get a 90s bubble instead of any other? Because you sound like you could have go sing some dancehall song to sing me. Why you choose to say, oh, there's a 90s bubble me I go with?
I tell you, me plate no one no agan goat. Any wash where you wash a must rag and soap. Empress no for your talk about gag and throat. Pity na oofa mouth, y'all pack and go up. Oh, that away frack and blouse we get tic-tac. If and rose pass me shield and sword. Burn every fish and toad. Let me tell you what, you see what we had the music.
Yeah.
We used to, like, as a youngster, when we had a road and them thing, we used to roll with our brethren, Jabalans and Jabalans.
You know Jabalans, bad artist man. You know Jabalans
Teflon them par.
You know Jabalans good, but I have a bad picture of Jabalans.
So earlier days, I got stay true to them something that Jabba we are rolling. And if you do a Jabba, you do a Jabba bring the fire, yo. And even when we perform, we don't like perform like now. You know them young youth nowadays, them probably them do them thing, them go in a studio, them do them
yeah.
We perform like say a bands we are
no man, a school out of school we come from, man.
So
no
90s bubble inspired by we just a roll with Jabba them and we see how Jabba them roll out on stage and about the fire and everything there. I'm say, oh, we are do this and we are musician and everything, we can incorporate one new character, which is 90s bubble. We are going to burn some fire and we don't really too want to take 90s bubble like no gimmick thing. So you can see that like seriousness.
Yeah man, I see it, man.
That's why in the video them what I do, I always have one like one turban like.
Turban that catch a fire.
Yeah man.
On some artists,
on some vlogger.
We don't know what they do still, but anyway.
We don't want to use no, you know them fake dread stick the way them. I say, I'm not use that. I don't want people see it and things are like.
Cliche man, cliche.
So I say, I kind of make it look real. Go all my beard and them.
Yeah man, yeah.
Have that real image and just burn some fire. Right now, people they not stop being me and that beer. I say, yo,
record this song. We don't have to be that rhythm, man. You have to talk to whoever create that rhythm there. We don't remember who create that rhythm, your sister rhythm, a scatter.
Yeah, man,
a scatter rhythm. We don't have to link them and tell them. The martial arts. Yeah, man,
90s, but one and a joke thing, man. So that's why I'm not really too touch on it too much.
Scatter. Vice him, 90s bubble. Vice him panic karate with it. Song bad. People are requesting. Hit song, money in a pocket. Yeah.
So yeah, man, 90s bubble, I turn out to be one of my favorite characters there.
Yeah?
I go work with it, man.
Yeah, man. I like the 90s bubble.
I'm not too overdo it with the 90s bubble.
Right.
So if you are going to drop something, it have to be something where people say, yo, this body no.
Yeah.
So when I go to fling out 90s
fling out 90s bubble. So it's not necessarily that be like a comedic character.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we are doing on a more serious level.
Yeah, so in a sense though, then 90s bubble is basically just like a split personality of yours. Not necessarily a religious belief. That a belief.
Yeah.
It's not a belief. So which religion you say you're affiliated with, if you have to say you're affiliated with a religion?
Yeah, no, so we grew up in a Christian home.
Home still.
You see me? And like what mother said, 80% of every Jamaican grew up in a Christian home. But you know, Rastafari probably would have close to that.
Yeah, man,
in terms of like certain beliefs and everything. So nothing really wrong. Because you have people where probably I say Jesus are probably still I say or whatever.
Yeah.
So I just love still. You don't really
religion
like, alright, religion or whatever. Once you preach love, 90s go up on fire. Because them basically burn fire upon the same thing. You see me? And if you listen to the 90s bubble song, that burn fire upon.
But I want to tell you something. One good one about 2017 we released one EP, my debut EP, named First Impressions. Big up yourself, Red Bullet. And me have one song that say, he say you want to go, it's not about he's scared. And the song will say, some say it's insanity, but let me give you clarity. Rasta is no different from Christianity. You know, so me get fire feet.
What?
Yeah, man, people burn fire on my feet, man. Me do a first interview I ever do at the time, I feel. When I do the interview, I have to clarify it and say, no, man, I never that me did mean. You understand me? I say, they have certain beliefs.
Yeah.
One man, we Rasta know, say, one impress. One man and I run up and I throw Willie about. You understand?
For real.
We Rasta believe in a burning fire upon certain things, same like what the Christian and burn. So in other context,
the Moses law basically that Rasta man and preach.
Yeah, understand that is it. You
understand that. So
I just that I think. But one more I get in a little bit Don Bonez. You we have to talk about like my life to touch upon state of crime in our country because it's a pest. It's a pest in everybody was so like that. The other day, a client and they slapped them yet.
Why, John?
Chris Martin, a big celeb like that, they come and got in night and you know.
Feel away from, because I just hear that they lose one of my bridging them to see him.
Yeah, man, I see the high post it
up. You can understand when people are mourn the loss of a loved one and anything. If a man, for so much people just drop out. Now, one community from, how do you get back from that, yo? So, that's why even, when I say we don't do songs like, what do I say now? Now I say gun song, but we don't know what we do dance and hardcore dance and music as well. So every little now and then we drop certain things and but the youth them right now, the state of Jamaica right now as it relates to like crime and violence, you know, really look good for tell the honest truth. You see me? You don't know if they because you can't blame one thing from. Because people are getting influenced left, right and center.
Yeah man, not
just because say music I do this, or that I do that. That would I just try I play the blame game based on outside with that.
Right, true.
You know, probably politician would say, yo, them youth are the music, we are going to shut down music. That not going to help it.
Right.
You see me, I just the other day when them did, before even, when them did lock up World Boss.
Yeah.
Remember I said, they say a World Boss I call certain things. World Boss gone to jail, crime still have work same way too. You see me? So, it just come like, one of them lay a onion, like a peel off, this a cause, peel off, and that a cause. If I'm like, you have to just spray and just say, oh, the youth, you have to just change their mindset.
What you think you change their mindset, Bones?
You know, say how them grow though.
How them grow. So you feel like a home it a come from.
Yeah, man.
But sometimes I grow up in a good home. Because me grow up in a good home, you can tell you come out a good home. See you drink dragon. You understand what I say? I show your parents when I prove. So what you the also, sometimes a child can grow up. I grew up a certain type of way and them still. You understand? I grew up in a Christian home, so locks by my head. Yeah. You understand what I deal with mother still know.
Yeah, but locks by your head, like, you never really say defy of your parents, you know. Locks by your head, but that not mean say you're going to be rebellious. And
no, I understand that, but so, I'm just saying,
yeah,
if it was left to my parents alone, I wouldn't have a locks. I'm just saying that sometimes I get a certain teachings in the household, and then when you go out, it's like, I don't know, different. Something different just today. Because there's some boy go good enough for you.
Yeah, man, but you take a next level of evil if you actually take somebody's life in a farm.
Yes, man.
So even though you say, your parents might teach one something, you do one next thing, but wouldn't really to intertwine that with somebody and take somebody's life. Like, that's some different level of evil.
Yeah, two totally different things.
Even, when we grew up in a farm, if you got a funeral,
yes.
Like, you could have never get, if you go look on a dead body, and them are youth nowadays, if they may say somebody drop down out the road, them are go there take
phone and all that sitting there.
Yeah, circulate on WhatsApp and them things. It's just like a whole hype for them.
Yeah.
So, as I said, the mindset, them grew up that certain type of way there, where they don't really fear nothing.
Them are just tough.
You see me? And me no want to say, make them go Sunday school or them things or whatever. But I have an idea from them things they kind of save with somebody.
Yeah, man. You save them, man.
How them grew up from them small. Because even nowadays, they say all them little youth are back answer them parents. Them little youth are walking out.
Yeah, man.
Because some big man and the parents, them are giggle.
Yeah, man. Yeah, box down for we, man. Straight box down, man. Straight box down. I tell you something. You see, we, from the 90s, we catch a little bit of discipline, you know. Yeah, because we caught between two generations. Yeah. We caught between them and Gen Z. You understand how we caught between, you understand how we last piece of discipline. It come like, thank God. Come like, no really did they know to all that.
The thing get gone through the gate.
Gone through the gate. Gone through the gate,
man. Like a cowboy town right now, fam.
Me I tell you,
they go in some of them houses, and you see what some of them youth are dealing with them parents.
That me I try them, I don't see it, man.
Yeah, man.
I see it, man. I
man and daughter dance and broke out, man, together.
Yes,
side
man.
and side.
Yes, man, definitely, man.
You
see, my first time you hear a person is a teacher or they have certain job title, you automatically know, so yeah, man, that's a nice and decent person. But no, yes, a pastor take a picnic, brother.
Oh, gosh.
A pastor doesn't make a thing to pick. You understand about this and this thing there.
Yeah,
but,
man.
Bones, what philosophy would you say that you live by?
Yo. See, life is all about cheating debt in the family. Like you constantly try to cheat debt. And you have to just live. Yeah, you don't see you have to live within the means of the laws and them things.
Yes, within the confines of the law.
But just be yourself, as I've been saying from the beginning of the interview. Be yourself. Don't try to be nobody else.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And just be humble from wherever you do. You see me? Just stay humble and just go and hold it.
Hold it.
You see me?
Yes, sir.
Hold it. Keyword, just go and hold it from.
Don't get too jumpy, don't get too, and wait a turn. That's important. Always wait a turn. Don't try to move before your time. Definitely. So, what a lot of people are like for no Bones. Honestly, I like for no too. Because your side when I see, and when I see all the while, because it's the only side I'm exposed to is the rap belly or the 90s bubble or the GS now. Those are the only sides of it that I'm exposed to. As most people watching this right now. When you take off all of that and go home, and you were there on your birth certificate, what would you say you do if you find no spare time? What you do? Apart from doing all of that, what you do?
What Jerome Martin do?
Jerome, yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, say Jerome just go and chill most of the time. You know, a little shy vibes. You're not really shy still, you know. But,
yeah.
you mostly chill.
Yeah.
You have people in the community right now, when they might see someone else, what? Are you?
You do that.
You know that talk?
Yeah.
So, we are that type of person, yo. Me like I like listen to music, I like play a video game and them things. They just do some little human things.
Yes, definitely.
But if people will say, oh, we like operate when we not do skits and them things, I'm probably say, no, sir.
I know this is you. But you know, some kind of sense about you know.
Yeah, but
I think that's where the humanity comes from.
Yeah.
Definitely. It's like you kind of reserve. And as a matter of fact, me even can push it to shy. Doesn't matter if you come off a little bit shy to me.
Of course.
Big man thing. You see me, even though you are where you are and doing what you're doing, it's like you will be here and you're alone in your element and you do your thing and you put it out.
Yeah.
You understand? But if you bag a crowd and this and that, like I don't really think that for the big man love.
Because even most of the time when I'm doing some shoots and all. You're there somewhere and people like that. I mostly do my shoot them and when people are so going. It kind of look weird some of the time. And not necessarily means that that's why I don't really want to do it around people. But some of the time it's like you feel comfortable.
Yeah, man,
like
you tell them, man,
It's like them thing. You know, some people that just jump out and say, yo, I'm this and that time. But more like say, yo, I go and chill. And so I go and you're so free up now, go do this. It's me other type of person that like more in a space.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, if somebody forward within my space, I don't really have a problem with it.
Right.
If we choose, yes, I'll go and chill.
Chill by yourself.
Yeah, man, nothing around.
Yeah. I made that to
company, your company now.
Yeah, man. I made that to stay. I can fully enjoy my company. I can't go in the party right now. And turn up and now move down at all and I enjoy myself.
What do you mean, man?
None at all. I mean, I enjoy myself. Just have my liquor. And all I want to have beer fun and people do things say, why I'm boring it? I just observe and I enjoy the moment. I take in the moment. You understand? You probably not going to take out no phone and video.
Yeah.
We work, this is what we do, we make we expose to a lot of things. So it's like, not really fine. We again. You understand?
Yeah,
we have to take out the phone and video.
People say, yo, you're different from now, man. That's on the internet. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not going to see the character when you see this.
That's a regular topic that man
But I just say thing there. Bones, I just start every interview and I go ask. It's a fundamental question to the program because you know when free speech people talk. What would you say could make Jamaica a better place right now overall? Not any like overall for the people. What you think would make Jamaica better with the resources that it presently have, and you know, just with everything we have now. What you think would make the country better? Whether it's education, whatever. You know.
Well, more than really, you know, cliche people that say, oh, the youth them want more programs and education and anything. But any idea if you view stats and them thing, they have youth, we are drive beasts, then got college and them thing, then they do the dirt team when I do them whatever we're supposed to do.
Yeah.
So me just feel say it have a thing with like probably classism, like people just need to start view people on a levels where everybody are one from, where people can, because you have some people, you know, they wouldn't sit down and reason with anybody. You know.
Yeah,
probably say, oh, they're on my level.
Yes, sir.
So if you not really have the mindset if you say, oh, man, listen what that person have to say, you know, you're not going to know what you feel, you know.
True.
You see me, a man can there say probably a plan to go blow up the whole place from. And because you probably not see him as an equal, if you say, oh, man, so what go through. And that's what I say. See, I got always have two sides of Jamaica, like you got have that set and you got have that set there. You see me? So communication is a major thing when we just say, oh, like even with you have some government officials who will forward in and them talk to the youths, them try come down and feed them level and them thing them.
Yeah.
But I say what I want more of that. You see me? Not necessarily like the politician and them, but people, how people communicate with each other and how people view people based on their status. You see me? Because you got always have people that feel like them better than people, yo.
Yes.
And just say people can communicate and share ideas and thoughts and them things. The Jamaica would have them on a different level. You see me?
Yeah, man, that one the deep. We read that one there. So in a sense, if you short nature, that's a elimination of division. One. You understand? And communication is another. You understand? But that's a true step because I can share something with you. You know, say, it's very clear that I get treated differently with this here than when I had a baller that was wearing long sleeve and tie.
There you go.
You understand? I can tell. Like, I'm treated different by police officers. I'm treated different when I walk in a Western Union. I'm treated different when I go certain places. Yeah, understand what I say? So it's like I realize that there is indeed a classism thing.
Yeah.
You understand the people stay classy and then no, because me not gonna lie, me like just nice because me a young boy. I can't myself any, you know, me very, very sorry. You understand? You see we both see
profile,
man, so we look. But watch this now, when you go into places like Western Union and Monogram, there's only one thing coming to their head. Because it's like the throw everybody in a social like or them set of people that them do. People can just nice without being in anything illegal.
Yeah, for real.
But because these people indulge in these illegal activities are so vocal and the man them take them little time and make them money. Enough money to but them do it. Now hype and them involved in no illegal activity, them just a chill. But guess what? Them like just nice. Them a drive a beast too.
Yeah.
But them not do nothing wrong. Forget it. So it's like a lot of time I feel like yo, you have to understand so you can't throw everybody in the same pen. You can't raise the whole of them like same pen. You understand? You can't throw all the way on the bus. We're not all in that type of thing. And me hate it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Me deal with it, you know, but me hate it. I don't like classism.
Where you come from, man?
I don't like classism. I like equality and them things. And this has nothing to do with Rastafari, I believe. It has everything to do with me. As a human being, I tell people all the while, my ear doesn't have thoughts. If because it have a man at the same mindset me I go have. I see when me I go think. Equal, you understand? Me hear now no thoughts, bro. Stop putting this thing about, oh, you're chewing my Rasta. No, it's not. Me I have them thoughts. When me sing, it's a shame. Me head ball. Me head ball. I would tell me I work as I security. You understand? Listen to the song. So it has nothing to do with the here. I always had those thoughts. It's just that me just I get the attention now. Because me don't know. Just like what you said earlier. You never know what might happen. Because when me see some things start blow up on TikTok, I say, really? So it's like, no, I get some little thing and get the people my attention. So I show them the side now where say, yo, watch a man. At them thinking if you're pre. Because you have too much people. I tell people too much nonsense, bro. So if I can come forward and say, yo, watch you know, so I know the right way, that I know the right way, that if I get one person to listen to me, I'm good. Wow. You understand what I deal with? If I have one
interview, I say, I mean, man, I'm here, man.
No,
my motto slogan, you already know who is Don Bonez attack with no endless foolishness. I'm not going to come and sit down and eat that and listen to that, yo.
Yeah, definitely.
So that's one of the things, yo, you have to always be positive, yo, and find the people them where your sister and make a positive impact. And just work with them, fam.
Definitely. I appreciate that, man. All this.
Joke thing, man.
Yo, which comedian I look up to?
Like, overall?
Overall, yeah. Like the Jamaican man, them. Not the Jamaican man. Where do Jamaican?
Yard man. Yo,
Yard
big up
man.
Heavy. You see me? Big up Kevin Too Crazy.
Oh gosh, man. Foundation.
Big up Guava. Is it, yo, how you know? You're joking. You see Kevin Too Crazy. Kevin Too Crazy, yo. Them man, if you notice, all him doing thing, them different from everybody else.
Yes, man, definitely, man. I'm a foundation, too.
So Kevin Too Crazy, one of them, you know, big up yourself, Kevin.
Yeah, man, you're a foundation, man. Big up yourself, yo.
Yeah, man.
That close to me forward from to you.
Yeah.
I know all the wife, good wife, used to,
man, Kevin
from
Too Crazy, a legend, fam.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. So who overall, know, like, internationally, you look up to?
Another joke thing.
Yeah, man. Who you look up to, like, internationally, you know, like, Kevin Hart, Dave,
yeah, man, we rate Kevin Hart, but, big up Martin. Big up Bernie Mac, rest in peace. Bernie Mac is a legend, yo. I like listen Bernie Mac.
Yeah, definitely.
Even though we don't do stand up people, I say, oh, you need to start.
We're gonna answer that next. But anyway.
So, yeah, man, Bernie Mac, general.
Yeah.
Me like the type of comedian them where, as them start up before even reach them punchline, you're gonna start laugh. I'm like Cat Williams, so big up.
Oh gosh, man, legend. Yeah.
So big up.
You know who we like? Dave Chappelle. I'm not gonna tell you. They go that.
See
I think I'm big grass in it, man. I go that.
Yeah, man.
But not so now. You see Dave now. Let me tell you, a comedian thing. Like I personally wouldn't say Kevin Hart is my favorite comedian. He's a very good comedian.
Yeah.
But he wouldn't be my favorite. I like comedians like Cat Williams, Dave Chappelle, because when they do their set, they always try to impart knowledge.
Yeah.
You understand? Them always have something to say, yo, open on the eye, open on the eye, this and that and go and that. Them always do that. If it was comedian, with Kevin Hart, it's all about comedy.
Yeah.
You understand them I deal with? That's the thing. That's why I prefer put them.
Chappelle.
Yeah, Chappelle and Cat Williams, they put them over Kevin. Kevin, what?
Drop some things they have to say, yo, brother, sick.
Boy, the man
make you laugh still, you know.
Yeah.
Because even with the whole thing we are going viral now, even with. Remember, say them man take on Rainbow Squad, them, you know.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
You see me?
And now back down.
That them man they take them on a levels where you can laugh, but at the same time, sure.
Some things you might do, that try show you some like comedy.
Them type of comedy.
Yes, I like them type of comedy. So, what about the stand up now? We say you wouldn't do it.
As how many say? Not before time.
Before time, alright.
We're not going to say we master all the things still, you know, but probably that's not our strongest. But we are going to pray, we are going to test the water.
You just have to practice. I just say things that you just have to go and practice and do your thing. As I deal with that, just say things that definitely.
Oh, and big up Dale Elliott today, you them bad.
So all who don't know who Don Bonez be, I don't know how they don't know that, but for all who don't know where they can find it on social media.
Yeah, we can find Dan Bonez on Instagram, you know. Dan Bonez, which is Bonez. You see me, you know, normally Bonez with a spell with S, but on the Instagram we don't have no space. But on the TikTok is Dan Bonez 1.
How you spell that Dan?
With a Z.
Dan
Bonez.
Okay.
You see me? On YouTube, see me, you know, say Dan Bonez 111.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, easy to find. We work with.
Yeah, man. Easy
Once
to
you
find.
see the area leader pop up, that is me.
Yeah. Watch it, you know you.
Watch out for the fake page them doing now.
Oh, yeah, man. I see a few. Yeah, man. I see a few fake pages.
Oh, I'm telling you, man.
I see a few fake pages. See a few. No, the thing. No, can't do that, man.
But we don't have that social media.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Don't come on, man. You don't want box food out of young youth plate, man. Come on, man. You know, if you appreciate you, you have to appreciate youth when they use them talent, I use them intellect. To get that, to turn it into an income, bro. Because you couldn't do other things, you know? You couldn't do some unscrupulous things. You choose, alright, I'm going to steal part of the party, I'm going to do it another direction, I'm going to go, this is a trajectory that I want, and you go for it, and it works for you, bro. You understand? What you da advise, like, upcoming youth to want to do the same thing as you? Because I'm sure, say, what if youth out there look up to you right now?
Man, because a whole heap of people now will say, like, because social media, we're not joking, it's a place where you can forward and your life just change.
Yes, man.
Within the drop of a hat.
Yes, man, that's
you
true.
See me?
That's true.
So, as what I say, just find something where you like, find a content where you like, find a niche where you like, and just go and do it to the best of your ability. Don't stop for nothing. I say you can try other things, but where you start off with, as long as it's something positive or whatever, just do it. You see me? And just go on until you know, say, as I say, I think just kick off.
Yes, that is it.
So don't stop.
Don't stop. Because you never know when the moment are going.
Yeah, man. That's one of the things that people always just, them soon reach the light at the tunnel and them go stop. You see me? So just continue the way I do. As long as they believe in what you do and something positive. Because some of the time when you probably do some things you're not supposed to do. Everybody have talent in a
Yeah.
You see me? And you probably have put too much energy in one of the talent and we are not really that if you push at the moment. You see me? So you can just do. Try out for any other things and just make it work for them. But just don't give up. That's the key thing.
Definitely. That's so true. So true. Because the only way you're going to feel it when you give up.
Yeah, man.
Just right by my shirt. Winners 8 to lose. That is so true. I understand. That's a fact. You just have to put in the work, man. And just do your thing. When you know so you have things to do, bro, you can't sit down on the hike. You see me at the youth.
And stop don't hide the talent, yo.
Don't hide the talent.
Yo, sit down for my talent, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, you used to do some things, and people say, yo, fam, stop hide the talent. Remember, say I just music alone, me used to do enough.
Yeah.
Like, me used to do video and them things if I'm small. That's what I say, me used to make all the home videos with my little camcorder.
Yeah, man.
But music kick off, we start the music and them things there. Whenever I picture myself, we say, I gotta do some comedy and skit and them things there. Because if I'm being honest, most of the time when we did smaller, when we used to do content, I probably do some gun war or something.
Yeah.
So if you see myself now I do comedy and them thing, then I say, hey, man, I pray this enough fam. And me I do music for years now fam and a comedy make you and say, yo, make certain bread forward. You see me now, I lie about that and we do that music for a while now.
Yeah, man.
So you can imagine if anybody tap into that.
Right.
Other talent.
I same thing I said to GZB the other day, say I've been doing music for years and I'm traveling in my music and all that, but camera gave me so much more opportunities than music. So
production,
much more.
You see?
Yeah,
do your production thing
right,
from
that's it. That's it.
Other talent that you tap into.
That's it. And the same thing, me that do, like where I do, me I hide the talent all in the month. So even the other day, I would contact me and I don't remember one name, but that sound very intelligent. Right now, I am to come work with me. There's somebody that show you artist, I lie you want to. You understand? And him say, him said to me, say, him know me as an artist, and him say, surprised when he see me a shoot video.
Yeah.
You understand me I deal with? So that's the thing now, a lot of people surprised when they say, Jamal can shoot video.
Yeah.
You understand? But when them see the work, is that they must have wait, but him bad for true, and people think that I edit them. People think I don't do it, but just get people and make a production in my people work for me. No. And me do them see just so I'm here video it, and me I go edit it when I go home, and me I the host, and me just build the foundation of what me I do. You understand what I say?
Use up a talent,
yes,
bro.
man, and I believe in my thing, man. You understand what I do? You have to believe in your thing, bro. So
people
you make
know you for one thing, but you know yourself in
more than one, man. And me could have done other things right now to see me, but me I go all years of, you know.
Yeah, because I work with it.
You know, so me have 3 entire movie script. Well, written and put down. And boys are going to tell you the truth.
Make sure you link me.
Well, I know, I go tell you the truth. Well, I know, but you know why you're the expert. I don't know the first move to make to bring them to nobody, but guess what? Put the foundation work first. Yeah, man, but for real, man, Bones, thank you for all the reason you do to the man. I know, I really appreciate the effort you put up with that, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
show it. Thank you very much. I see me, I just say things, but you see me, so.
I want a positive vibe from on board, man. I want to, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much, man. I see it. So I see you travel on the gov, you know, brother. Don't know, go, Rock Belly, 90s Bubble.
90s
Which one of them? So much of them.
Next interview, we tell you how they are.
Alright, people, that's another episode. Free speech, people talk. Original Dan Bonez.
Dan Bonez, you know?
Alright, Jamark, 90s Bubble. Why you say 90s Bubble?
I tell you, me plate no one a gang goat.
Turban hot. I mean, that's a catch a fire. Big up, crush them, that's it. Oh.